Hello, my name is Hannah, your favorite perfectly imperfect scribble artist, and welcome back to the live stream recap. Every Tuesday night from 9 to 10 o'clock Central Standard Time, I go live on TikTok and Instagram and take drawing requests from you. I sit there and I draw them, and it's super fun. And I'm now going to be posting recaps on YouTube. So if you missed the live on Tuesday and you still want to be able to watch what it was that I was making, maybe you're stressed out and you just need something to calm you down, watching me draw is very relaxing, so I highly recommend it. I will now be posting recaps. So you can see each video will have a recap of one of the drawings from my lives, which means there will be several YouTube videos for every live stream. So without further ado, let's get on with the video, but don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, all the things, and I will see you in the next video. So for anyone who's new to my live, I go live every Tuesday night from 9 to 10 o'clock Central Time. So it's 9:12 right now. And I take drawing requests from you guys and I draw them, and then everything that I draw I sell the next day. So if you want to buy anything from the live, it'll be available. Otherwise, just hang out and enjoy the live. It's very fun. How's my day been? My day has been really good so far. Very low key. I did lose one of my favorite earrings though, which was a bummer. This is cute AF and I will immediately be ordering this as a sticker. It's too cute. Yeah, you should join my sticker club. It's $5 a month and you get a new sticker mailed to you every month. It is quite a deal. And they're always a new sticker. You'll never get the same sticker twice. This month's sticker is like kind of a fall theme, and then the next month will be like a Halloween one. Coasting and Ghosting. That's a great title. Okay, this little ghosty is so cute. Coasting and Ghosting. So good. It's so good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and also don't forget to set a timer for next week's live stream, 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. I hope to see you there.